In this fast-paced digital marketing world, are you still adding your leads to your email marketing application manually? Then this automation is definitely for you. So hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we're going to learn how to create subscriber in AWeber for Instagram lead ads leads. So I am an owner of a digital marketing agency and I promote my business with the help of Instagram lead ads. Here what I want is that as soon as a new lead is going to be generated by any of the potential customers using Instagram lead ads, I want to add that same lead to my AWeber account as subscriber. Now, doing this manually, adding my leads to my AWeber account as subscriber manually is a very time-consuming process. So what I did was I simply automated Instagram lead ads in AWeber with the help of Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing automation and integration software. So if you also want to learn about this amazing automation, then let me take you all to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In this video, we're going to learn how to create subscriber in AWeber for Instagram lead ads. As a digital marketing agency owner, I rely on Instagram lead ads to attract more potential clients because it's a powerful platform to reaching out my target audience and gathering quality leads. And I use AWeber on the other hand as my email marketing tool for nurturing these leads. It helps me to build and manage email campaigns efficiently, allowing me to send personalized offers, case studies, and marketing tips to my clients. To streamline this process, I have created an automation between Instagram lead ads and AWeber with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, whenever someone is going to submit their information with the help of Instagram lead ads, automatically that lead is going to be added as subscriber in my AWeber account. This automation saves me time and ensures that I can quickly engage with leads through targeted emails without any manual input. And we are going to be creating this amazing automation with the help of Pabbly Connect. So on the screen, you can see the website of Pabbly Connect, that is pabbly.com/connect. After browsing this website, we need to sign in to our Pabbly Connect account. But if you're a new user, you can sign up for free and get 100 free tasks every month. So as I'm an existing user, I'm going to sign into my Pabbly Connect account. After signing in, you can see the All Pabbly Apps window in front of you, in which you can see all the applications of Pabbly, from which we are going to select Pabbly Connect by clicking on Access Now. Then Pabbly Connect's dashboard is going to appear in front of you. In order to start an automation process in Pabbly Connect, we need to create a workflow. For that, click on this top right corner button right over here that says Create Workflow. A dialog box is then going to appear in front of you, which is asking for the workflow name and for us to select a folder. So for the name of my workflow over here, I'm going to give it as Create Subscriber in AWeber for Instagram lead ads leads. So this is the name that I want to give to my workflow, okay? After that, it is asking for us to select a folder. So on the left side of my screen, you can see I've created multiple folders in my Pabbly Connect account, from which I'm going to select a specific folder in which I want to save this workflow in. So for that, click on this drop down. So these are the folders from which I'm going to select Instagram automations as the folder I want to save this workflow in. After giving a name to our workflow and selecting the folder, let's click on Create in order to create a workflow. A workflow is created in the name of Create Subscriber in AWeber for Instagram lead ads leads, and there are two windows in front of you. One over here says Trigger, other says Action. Trigger and Action are the two most important steps of our automation process because our process depends on these two concepts. Over here, Trigger says when this happens and Action says do this. That means our action, what is it? It's a response towards our trigger. In an automation process, there can be only one trigger step but multiple action steps. We are going to set up our trigger step first. And for the trigger application, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select it as Instagram lead ads. As with the help of Instagram lead ads, I am promoting my business, my digital marketing agency. And I want that as soon as a new lead is going to be generated with the help of Instagram lead ads, automatically and instantly Pabbly Connect should capture the response of the new lead being generated. So in order to do that, for the trigger event, we are going to select it as new lead instant. As whenever a new lead is going to be generated with the help of Instagram lead ads, automatically and instantly Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response of that. Okay. After selecting my trigger application and the event, I'm going to click on this connect button right over here. A window is then going to appear in front of you, on which click on add new connection, or else you can select the existing connection. After click on add new connection over here, you can see it is saying connect with Instagram lead ads. Okay. Before click on this button right over here, remember to log into your Instagram as well as your Facebook account on another tab so that connecting Pabbly Connect can be much easier to Instagram lead ads. Okay. After that, I'm going to click on this button right over here. As you can see that we successfully authorized Instagram lead ads to Pabbly Connect. After authorizing over here, it is asking for us to select the page and the lead gen form. Okay. So firstly, I'm going to show you one thing. So this is the Instagram page right over here. And with the help of this page, I will be running my Instagram lead ads. And this page that I've created in the name of Michael Karis, you can see right over here, is connected to my Facebook page. You can see right over here, that is in the name of Digital Dynamics. This is the name of my digital marketing agency. Okay. And this page, this is my Instagram account, has been directly connected to this page that I've created in my Facebook profile. Okay. If I'm going to open my ads manager, my meta ads manager, you can see right over here the Instagram account that is in the name of Michael Karis is connected to this Facebook page in the name of Digital Dynamics. You can see right over here. Okay. I want that over here as my Facebook page that I've connected to my Instagram account is in the name of Digital Dynamics. So what I'm going to do is in my Pabbly Connect over here, I'm going to search for Digital Dynamics. And for the page over here, I'm going to select this page right over here. Okay. This page is my Facebook page, which is directly connected to my Instagram account. As the lead is going to be generated with the help of this page right over here, what is going to happen? Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response of that. That is why for the page over here, I've selected it as Digital Dynamics. Okay. After that, over here, it is asking for us to select the lead gen form. So I've created a lead ads form in the name of new contact form. And I want that as soon as with the help of this form, a new lead is going to be generated, automatically and instantly Pabbly Connect should capture the response of that. Okay. After selecting the page and the lead gen form over here, you can see it says save and send test request button. I'm going to click on this button right over here. But before that, over here, it says simple response. Toggle the simple response button over here. Okay. And then click on the save and send test request button right over here. As you're going to do that, over here it is saying waiting for webhook response. Now, in order to check whether Instagram lead ad is connected to Pabbly Connect or not, what we're going to do is we are going to generate a test lead. And after generating the test lead, we're going to check whether Pabbly Connect has captured the response of the new test lead being generated or not. In order to generate a test lead, what you have to do is you have to open the Meta's lead ads testing tool. With the help of this tool, we can generate the test lead. Okay. It is asking for us to select the page. So for the page over here, I'm going to select it as Digital Dynamics. As this page is connected to my Instagram account, we're going to generate a lead with the help of this page. And for the form over here, I'm going to select as new contact form. Then I'm going to click on this preview form button right over here. Okay, you can see over here, this is the lead gen form that I've created. Now let's fill in the dummy details right over here. Interested service or product. For the service over here, I'm going to write it as social media marketing is a service that I'm interested in. For the first name over here, I'm going to write it as test. Okay. For the last name over here, I'm going to write it as smart. For the email over here, I'm going to write it as testsmart22@pabblytudes.com. For the phone number over here, I'm going to write in a dummy mobile number. Okay. So I've filled in all the dummy required details and I'm going to click on this continue button and on submit to do the test submission. As over here, you can see now it is saying your test lead has been sent. As the test lead is now been forwarded, I'm going to open my workflow and scroll down. And yes, you can see right over here, we have received the response of the test lead being generated in our workflow. Let us tally the response. For the interested service comes over here as social media marketing. For the first name comes as test, last name as smart, email as testsmart22@pabblytudes.com. For the phone number, dummy mobile number with all the other details right over here. As we have successfully captured the response of the test lead being generated with the help of Instagram lead ads, this means that Instagram lead ads is now being connected to Pabbly Connect. Now, whenever a new lead is going to be generated by any of the potential customers for my digital marketing agency with the help of Instagram lead ads, what is going to happen? Pabbly Connect is instantly going to capture the response of the new lead being generated. Okay. So now as we have set up our trigger step, we need to set up our action step. And for the action application, what we are going to do is we are going to select it as AWeber. AWeber is an email marketing tool that helps businesses and individuals create and send email campaigns to their subscribers. It provides features like customized email templates, automation for sending messages at right time, and tools for managing subscribers list. Okay, I'm going to use AWeber in my business, and I want that as soon as a new lead is going to be generated by any of the potential customers using Instagram lead ads, I want to add that lead as subscriber in my AWeber account. Now, after every new lead being generated with the help of Instagram lead ads, if I'm going to manually create over here and add subscribers in my AWeber account, it's a very hectic and time consuming task. So that is why we are setting up this amazing automation right over here with Pabbly Connect. After selecting my action application over here as AWeber, I want to add a subscriber as well as update a subscriber in my AWeber account. So for the action event over here, I'm going to select my action event as add or update subscriber. Okay. After that, you can see over here it says connect. Click on this button right over here. As you're going to do that, over here a window is going to appear in front of you on which you have to click on add new connection. But if you want, you can select the existing connection. After that, click on connect with AWeber. As you're going to do that, a window is then going to appear in front of you, which is asking for the permission. So I'm going to click on this allow access button as the safe process in my data is perfectly safe with Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click on this allow button right over here. As I've done that, you can see successfully authorized AWeber to Pabbly Connect. After authorizing over here, it is asking for us to select the account ID. You need to select the account ID right over here of your AWeber right over here. Okay. So after selecting the account ID, it is asking for us to select the list ID. So for the list over here, I've created a single list in my AWeber account in the name of new Instagram leads. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select my list ID right over here. Okay. After selecting the list over here, it is asking for the full name, email, and all the other details of the subscriber that we are creating in our AWeber account. Now for the data of our subscriber, what we are going to do is we are going to map the data. Now you might be thinking, what is mapping? Mapping means inserting data from the previous step. So we're going to insert the data from the previous step of this workflow. And how mapping works is that as soon as I'm going to click on this field right over here, what is going to happen? You're going to see Instagram lead ads new lead instant. What was this? This was the previous step of this workflow. You can see right over here. Okay. And as I'm going to click on it, you can see right over here, this was the response, the same response that was captured in our previous step. It is asking for the full name of a subscriber right over here. In my previous response, I have received the full name. You can see right over first name and the last name. So for the data of my full name of my subscriber, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the data from my previous response. I'm going to select the first name, space the last name. I have selected data from my previous response. So what is this? This is a mapped data. So now what is going to happen that whenever a new response is going to be captured in the previous step, in place of this mapped data, the new data is going to be updated. Okay. In a similar manner, it is asking for the email. So I'm going to map the data of the email of my lead that I've received in my previous step. It is asking for the update existing over here. So I'm going to select over here as yes right over here, as if the subscriber that is going to be created from Instagram lead ads is already an existing subscriber in my AWeber account, it can be updated with the new details right over here. Okay, so I've selected over here as yes. After that, it is asking for the tags, ad tracking, IP address with all the other details. I do not require them, so I'm going to skip the part. Next, it is asking for the miscellaneous notes. This is the additional notes right over here. So for the additional notes over here, I'm going to write it as interested services. So for the interested services, I'm going to map the data of the interested service of my lead that was generated before. Next, it is asking for the mobile number. So I'm going to map the data of the mobile number right over here. After filling in all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request button. As I'm going to do that, we're going to receive a response, which is a positive response. So now I'm going to open my AWeber account and I'm going to check whether a new subscriber has been created in my AWeber account or not. For that, I'm going to open my AWeber account again. This is the subscribers page of my AWeber account. I'm going to refresh this page from here. As I've refreshed the page, you can see right over here, a new subscriber has been added in my AWeber account. The status over here comes as pending. As the subscriber is going to accept the subscription, it is going to come over here as subscribed. Okay. As now the subscriber has been successfully added to my AWeber account, this means that we have successfully created an automation between Instagram lead ads and AWeber with the help of Pabbly Connect. Okay. But now for all of you guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a real life example test in front of you. I'm going to generate another lead with the help of Instagram lead ads, and then I'm going to check whether a new subscriber has been added to my AWeber account or not. Okay, so now let's generate another test lead with the help of lead ads testing tool. Over here you can see it says you can create only one lead per form. You need to delete an existing lead in order to create a new one. And as I have created a lead with the help of this form right over here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete the existing lead from here. Okay, it says your lead has been deleted. Now I'm going to refresh this page right over here. It is very important to first delete the lead and then refresh the page, because you will not be able to generate another lead with the help of this form if there is an existing lead, because you can only create one lead per form. Okay, as I've successfully deleted the lead for the page over here, I'm going to again select it as digital dynamics, for the form as new contact form. Then I'm going to click on this preview form button again. So this is the lead ads form, you can see right over here. Now I'm going to fill in the details. I'm going to fill in all the required details right over here. You can see right over here, filled in all the details. Interested services as email marketing. First name is Smart, last name is Account. Email as smartaccount1@pabblytudes.com with a dummy mobile number. After filling all the required details, I'm going to click on this continue button and on submit to do the test submission. As over here, you can see it says your test lead has been sent, as now the lead is generated. Now I'm going to open my AWeber account and I'm going to check whether a new subscriber in the name of Smart Account has been added to my AWeber account or not. For that, I'm going to open my AWeber account. So this is the subscribers page. I'm going to refresh this page from here. After refreshing the page, you can see a subscriber in the name of Smart Account with the email address as smartaccount1@pabblytudes.com has been successfully added. And over here in the notes, you can see it says interested services as email marketing. As now the subscriber has been successfully added to my AWeber account, this means that we have successfully created an automation between Instagram lead ads and AWeber with the help of Pabbly Connect. So now to sum up till now what we have done, I am an owner of a digital marketing agency and I promote my business with the help of Instagram lead ads. My objective is that as soon as a new lead is going to be generated with the help of Instagram lead ads by any of the potential clients, I want that lead should be added to my AWeber account. And in order to do that, I've created an amazing automation between Instagram lead ads and AWeber with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this was it for this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel, hit on the like button, comment down below if you have any questions or doubts, and please share this video. Not just with these applications, you can create automation between multiple other applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any questions, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can check the queries on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, then you can check out this link. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel, hit on the like button, comment on if you have any questions or doubts, and please share this video.